Hi, my dear students. Again, I have come to you to interact with you and to teach you another lesson, the new blue dress. I think you have enjoyed my previous lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. Students, I have given you two assignments also for the lesson. I hope you have tried it and I hope you have succeeded in it. So, with the great enthusiasm, we are entering the next lesson, another lesson, the new blue dress. Right. So, on observing the title, all of you have some idea. What's it? The lesson is woven around dress. What dress? Blue dress. What children? How many of you like blue? Yes. My favorite color is also blue. So, blue is royal in all colors. Blue dress. What type of blue dress? New blue dress. So my students, you can understand now the entire lesson is woven around new blue dress. So now the point is what role play? What role play this new blue dress? Actually, when do you get new dresses? Come on, tell me, when do you get new dresses? Yes, you're right. On the occasion of birthday, on the occasion of festivals, on the occasion of achievements. That means your parents may provide you. But here, on what occasion this new blue dress has been given? Either on birthday or on the day of festival or on any achievement. We have to discuss it later. Who has given this new blue dress? To whom it was given? Why it was given? What change has brought this new blue dress? In whom? If you understand these points, you can easily grasp the content of the lesson and answer any type of questions given in your examination without reading or by hearting or spending hours of hours on this chapter. Right. Let us enter the lesson. A small place is there that is called Gates Avenue. That is Gates Avenue. What's it? It's a small street in a particular town. Gates Avenue. My students, if you observe your town or cities, some areas are posh, some areas are average, some areas are slum. That means where very poor people live. That means if I tell one particular area, immediately you feel, oh, that is posh area, all the rich people live there. If I mention some area, you feel, yes, so many are employees are there, like that. If I mention some other area, you may remind immediately, oh, that is slum area, most poor people live, like that. In that way, in our lesson, this place have a great importance. Gates Avenue. What's the importance of this place, sir? You may ask. It is not rich, not middle class people live there. Only poor people live there. Only poor people live there. Poor people, how poor they are means, just they am to make their both ends meet. To make their both ends meet. To make their both ends meet. See, my dear children, a beautiful idiom is here. A beautiful saying is here. To make their both ends meet. What does this expression, to make both ends meet? What does it means? Actually, if we want to survive, if we want to live, what we needed? We have to take food, we have to get some shelter, we need some clothing and medical facilities, etc., etc. So these are all called our basic needs. To maintain or fulfill all our basic needs, what do we need? We need some vitamin M. Vitamin M. Your science teachers may not tell about this vitamin M. You know, vitamin A is there, B is there, C is there, D is there, like that. But what is this vitamin M? This is most important to live. That means to make us survive. This vitamin M means nothing but money. My dear students, actually there is no vitamin M. Just for fun, I am telling, or to print your mind easily understand, I am funnily saying vitamin M, that indicates money. So money means here income. Here income. So every person gets some income, and in the same way, this income goes out in terms of various forms. You know very well, that is for your rent or food or books or uniforms and so on, so on, so on. So that is called expenditure. That is called expenditure. So everyone should meet that income and expenditure. For example, if I am getting 1000 rupees income, my expenditures also be limited to 1000 rupees. Of course, sometimes it may not be. I am getting only 1000 rupees, but my expenditure may be 2000. Then what happens? We lead into debts. We have to borrow money from others, and it makes us terrible. So here, some other persons are there. Their income is 2000, but their expenditure is only 1000 rupees. So 1000 surplus is here. Surplus is here. So three categories. Among these three categories, we need this category. What's it? One's income is 1000 rupees and his expenditure is also 1000 rupees. That means both his income and expenditure are meeting at certain point. To express this feeling, to express this idea, in English, we take this phrase, that is, to make their both ends meet. That means their income and expenditure is very, very equal. That means they meet only. They have neither surplus nor loss. So, these type of people live in Gates Avenue. So, I already told they are very poor. How poor, you know? For since last 10 years, they haven't painted their walls. They haven't get painted their rooms, their houses. For 10 years means you can imagine how they are very poor. They live under deplorable conditions. Means this Gates Avenue have no proper roads, no street lights, no running water facility. That means the people live in miserable conditions. No running water, no street lights, no proper roads. In such a situation, the people are living. From this area, a girl comes to a school. From this area, a girls come to a school. Actually, it is quite normal. Whether they live in the posh area or average area or slum area, children has to study. So, one girl is going to school from this area and she is studying the girl. The girl is very clever and the girl is very loyal to the teachers. That means very obedient to the teachers. She is well mannered and she is well behaved also. She is well behaved also. All the teachers like her too because of her good nature. This girl has only one frat. This girl has only one frat. Why? Because of her poverty made her wearing the same frat every day. That means after returning the school in the evening she washes it and again in the morning she wears it. Spring came. That means time passed by, days rolled by. Spring came. Spring came. All the other students are in new clothes on the occasion of spring. But this poor girl is again in the same dirty dress. The teacher notices it. The teacher notices this little girl. This girl is good natured, she studies well, her behavior is good, she is very obedient to teachers, but lack of hygiene. That girl's face is dirty, her hair is not tidy. While observed it, the teacher one day called the little girl and said, "My dear little girl, I'm very much interested in you. I liked you too. But for me, the very next day, while coming to class, just wash your face and come." The little girl obeyed the teacher. The very next day, she washed her face and entered the class. Now, the little girl's face is bright. The teacher feels very happy and again asks, "My dear little girl, for me, the next day you make your hair tidy," means clean. The little girl obeyed and she made her hair tidy. Now the little girl seems to be beautiful somewhat. The very next day, the teacher offered the girl a new blue dress. What the teacher offers? A new blue dress. Why the teacher offered? The girl is good in behavior. She is obedient to the teachers. But only because of poverty, she could not buy new dress. The teacher took pity on her for her financial condition and offered the new blue dress by saying, "My dear little girl, the very next day you wear this dress and come to school." The little girl's heart was bubbling with joy because she could not expect a gift from the teacher, that too beautiful new blue dress. So she ran to her home with a great enthusiasm, with a great happiness, met the mother and said, "Mother, my teacher presented me a new blue dress." Mother was shocked to see, "Why the teacher presented you with this blue dress? Okay, anyhow, you can wear." The next morning, this girl makes her face clean, make her hair tidy, and wears this new blue dress. On seeing this little girl in the new frock, in the new blue dress, mother could not believe her eyes. She was shocked to see the little girl. She was surprised to see the little girl because she feels, my God, have I got this type of a beautiful girl? She feels very happy on seeing the little girl in this new dress. Then mother started thinking, if something is clean, someone is clean and tidy, it gets some beauty. So this girl takes leave from the mother and went to school. In the school, all feels very happy and notices some charm, some beauty in this little girl. Teacher also very happy seeing this girl in the new dress. Whereas at home, the conditions are totally different. Because I already told, on seeing the little girl in the new blue dress, mother started thinking, that means if we make something tidy, we make something clean, it gets some charm and beauty. Then why can't I make my surroundings clean? Why can't I make my home clean? And my home and surroundings also get some charm and beautiful she feels. Immediately she put some cloth on the table, a beautiful cloth on the table. She cleaned the floor. At night, father returned. Already teacher asked, my dear little girl, how your mother feel on seeing you in the beautiful dress? Little girl said, my mother feels very happy, mother. My mother feels very happy, teacher. She could not believe her eyes that I am so pretty. She feels proud of a girl having so pretty. Teacher asked, what about your father? Girl replied, my father left home early in the morning. He did not see ma'am. After returning home at night, he can watch me. By saying that, after the ending of the class, the little girl returned to home. After some time, father returned from his work and noticed the little girl in the new blue dress. In the new blue dress, he too shocked to see his little baby is how cute, how pretty, how charm, how beautiful. He too could not believe his eyes. My God, my baby is very pretty. Is this girl really my baby? Have I this type of pretty baby? He felt. And he also noticed some cloth on the table made by, that means kept, arranged by wife. So it has also a new look. It gives a new look, spreading the cloth on the table. So father also feels something. He started thinking the importance of neatness, the importance of cleanliness, the importance of hygiene. He too feels. So if we do something, we can change something. We can get beauty. We can get charm. We can get awe striking. Immediately father went outside. Father went outside. He started repairing his fence. And he also make a small garden around the home and makes his house beautiful, makes his house totally different from all the houses of his area, his Gates Avenue. The very next day, the others watch the little girl's house and something new, something beautiful, something charm. They were influenced by this and they too start cleaning their rooms, cleaning their surroundings, repairing the fences, making small garden around their homes. This not stopped here. That means the reformation, the change hasn't stopped. Here means at the house of little girl, at the house of little girl, at the house of little girl. It hasn't stopped. Like fire catches the entire surroundings. This also catches all the houses of Gates Avenue. On seeing the neighbors, on seeing the next house, they too try. They too make their homes beautiful. Now the entire Gates Avenue has a new look. All the houses are seems to be beautiful. There was no rubbish. Every house has ran round a garden. It has a majestic look. It has an awe-striking look. Those who passes through these streets just wait even for a minute and started looking at the Gates Avenue. This spread from one to another, and so on, so on. A minister of church. Here minister means not our political ministers. That means our finance minister, educational minister, that means a part of our government. Here minister means not a part of our government. Minister means here an official. Minister means here an official. So, a minister of a church had it. On one occasion, he was passing through Gates Avenue and shocked to see the beauty of Gates Avenue, the charm of Gates Avenue. He started standing there and thinking, these people are deserved. These people of Gates Avenue are deserved to get all the minimum facilities such as roads, proper roads, running water facility, street lights, and so on. Immediately, he wanted to provide all this infrastructure to the people of Gates Avenue. He consulted some prominent men of the city and started collecting some donations. By collecting donations, he provided all facilities to the Gates Avenue. That means proper roads, running water facility, street lights, and so on. See, all the people are very happy for having all these needs and facilities. So, what we understand here, see, in the beginning of the lesson, I told the condition of the Gates Avenue is a very, very poor condition with poor people. There is no proper road, there are no proper roads, proper street lights, proper running water facility, and always noisy. That is the position of beginning of the lesson. But in the ending of the lesson, you observe the Gates Avenue enjoys all facilities what the other areas of the city enjoy. A good pavements, good proper roads, street lights, running water, and so on. So my question is, my students, what is the reason? What is the reason for the entire change? What is the reason for the people of Gates Avenue having running water facilities, proper roads, good pavements, and street lights? Not all. Yes. What's the reason? This new blue dress. This is the reason for all getting. How, sir, you may question? For example, if the teacher hasn't given the new blue dress to the girl's parents never understand the importance of neatness, beauty, and cleanliness. That there would be no change in their home. If there is no change in their home, the other houses of their next also be the same. So, a little gift, a small gift of new blue dress has created a lot of change. It has changed the entire colony, entire the Gates Avenue. Not only beautiful, but also having beautiful facilities. Can the teacher imagine? Can the teacher imagine at the time? At the time means at the time of giving a new blue dress to that girl, this creates this much of sensation. No, just the teacher's intention is only one thing, that she is the poor girl, she has no other frock. Even in spring she is wearing the same dirty frock. She took pity on her and offers the new blue dress. So from this lesson what we understand, do your job and leave the result to its own. It catches its own fire. It leads to wonderful reformation. That thing we have to understand from this lesson.